Your business is very competitive and constantly changing. Customers are demanding and deadlines need to be met. Costs are a major concern. Your business reputation is always on the line. You need to be able to rely on your equipment. Crews can't be idle because of machine downtime. You need to get the most out of your equipment to make money. So what are some of the problems with skid steer tires? Let's hear from some owners and operators.
You're going to get a lot of flats.
The biggest thing is punctures.
I can't stand the downtime.
Just the downtime. Whenever you have a flat tire with a skid steer, the world stops turning.
The wear on the tires is the biggest issue because of what we're doing.
Regular bias ply, if we can get 700 hours out of them, we're happy.
We had a bias ply tire, and I wasn't getting the wear out of them. About 200 hours on the bias tire.
Traction is probably one of our largest problems in the mud. A bias plier has a tendency to want to bubble and bounce with you, and the more you bubble and bounce and on soft, dirt or mud or whatever, you're going to make your hole a lot deeper, so you're not getting near as much traction.
Well, if home filled, you get a rougher ride.
A bias ply tire, especially during cold weather, is a lot stiffer tire. It doesn't have a whole lot of forgiving. It tends to want to grab the concrete and jerk you around, buck you a little bit.
Building on Michelin's heritage as a leader in tire technology, Michelin introduced the first radial skid steer tire, the XZSL, for hard surface applications, providing excellent wear and puncture resistance that results in less downtime, lowering overall costs. Michelin now brings the same benefits to the construction, grading, and landscaping markets with the new BibSteel All-Terrain Skid Steer Tire. BibSteel All-Terrain features an all-steel radial casing and steel belt package. 3 layers of steel to minimize punctures and tire damage, resulting in maximum uptime. Michelin's BibSteel All-Terrain utilizes a superior rubber compound that is optimized for wear, combined with one of the deepest self-cleaning tread designs available. Michelin's BibSteel All-Terrain, providing longer tread life, reduced downtime, better stability and ride comfort, and the traction you need, all in a durable casing design. Are there any benefits using Michelin's BibSteel All-Terrain? Let's find out.
These BibSteels have been on this machine for about 6 months. A lot less downtime with these Michelin BibSteels.
With the Michelin BibSteels, we've only had the one puncture in these tires in almost a year that we've had them on.
With the Michelin BibSteel tire, have no problem. We have yet to have a flat tire.
Michelin came up with a new tire, which is a harder compound, which works great for our application. What I've seen so far, I'm getting almost 2-to-1 bias versus the BibSteel. I can buy one set of BibSteels to 2 of the bias ply.
Regular bias ply, if we can get 700 hours out of them, we're happy. Of course, usually by then they've got so many punctures, we're not running them anymore anyway. BibSteel's at least 2-to-1 ratio. I see them getting 1,400 to 1,500 hours, no problem.
It's just more forgiving. You turn slower. It's just smoother operation. I have noticed with these Michelin BibSteel tires that we have a lot less downtime as far as being stuck in a job site. They seem to ride better across the surface. One of the things that we found about these Michelin radials that we're running is that you can run this machine with the Michelins on it at a higher RPM, which, you can get your load from point A to point B a lot quicker. It's just, you turn a lot smoother.
The Michelin BibSteel, we're able to turn, get into tight places, can get out, don't have to worry about sliding into columns.
We've thoroughly enjoyed these tires, the Michelin BibSteel.
This would be the tire that I would go for.
The BibSteel radials that we're running here now, I'm thoroughly happy with, and I will keep buying them.
It sort of goes back to the old saying, you get what you pay for. When you get a cheap tire and you broke down and you lose 2 and 3 hours every 2 days, it's a whole lot better to have the better tire.
Michelin BibSteel All-Terrain, a tire Big Brother would be proud of.
Michelin. Wir bringen sie weiter.